How to make Keto Baked Oatmeal Bowl. The ingredients: 1/4 cup pecans, 1 tablespoon golden flaxseed meal, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon almond flour, 30-gram pea protein, 1 teaspoon stevia/erythritol blend, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 ounce cream cheese, softened, ½ cup raspberries, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a food processor, add the dry ingredients, pecans, golden flaxseed meal, chia seeds, baking powder, almond flour, protein powder, stevia, and salt. Pulse together until smooth. Transfer to a bowl. 3. Add the softened cream cheese, almond milk, and raspberries into the same bowl as the dry ingredients. Whisk to combine together. 4. Transfer to a microwavable bowl, and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. 5. Garnish with extra raspberries, and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Baked Oatmeal Bowl. Each serving comes out to be 559 calories, 40.9 grams fat, 9 grams net carbs, and 33.4 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.